my name is Iqrah and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am back with another semi-scripted sit-down unboxing video after so long. So let's get right into it. But before that,
if you're wondering where I got transported to just now, this is one of many accommodations for spectators this year that I got the opportunity to test out for free. Whole another video on that later. Let's get back to the uniform video for now. Bye!
hello again. Not sure where you went, but let's get started. The order in which I had to get my uniform collected is first enter a fitting room, try on the t-shirt, jacket, track pants and parka, then headed to the shoe section to try on my shoes and socks, and finally to the actual distribution and checkout section. At the checkout, they actually made it seem like you visited an Adidas store and picked out all these goodies for yourself, and they pretty much scanned every item to keep a track. And the best part, you didn't even have to pay for it because all of it was for free. So, in this bag, first up we have shoes! Ta-da! Black shoes. So here are the shoes that I actually tried out on that day and it fit perfectly. Oh, look at the sole. So yeah, shoes. I am a size UK 5. I have pretty small feet. So black shoes, completely black shoes with these signature 3 Adidas stripes. With shoes, you obviously need socks. You get 3 pairs in the 3 volunteer colors: purple, turquoise and black. And they also have this detailing, stripe detailing. So the purple one is the one that I tried on. That's why it's all squishy. But these ones are brand new. Ooh, I actually like the black one the best with this turquoise detailing. Cover the feet, so let's jump right onto our head. To protect our heads from Qatar's extreme sunlight and heat, we have Adidas caps. And again, it has the branding of FIFA volunteer, FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. You get a white one and you get a black one. And again, it has the Adidas logo. Oh, and the flap is purple on the black one and purple on the white one as well. And the inside has this detailing. This is exactly how I'll be wearing it. Double the cap, double the protection, right? Moving from our head to our upper body, we have a long sleeve t-shirt. It's all still packaged. I was waiting to make this video, so please appreciate the dedication and like this video if you haven't already. Pretty soft. And this is how it is. And again, at the back, it has this detailing for FIFA branding. Along with the long sleeve t-shirt, you get 2 short sleeve t-shirts. Again, same color pattern. So this is the short sleeve t-shirt. And again, it doesn't have the long sleeve, obviously because it's short sleeved. And the way they've inculcated the purple color is through these 3 stripes. Nothing at the bottom, very much similar to the long sleeve design. One last piece for your upper body is the jacket. Ta-da! I don't really like the gradient. Overall, it's whatever. Again, branding at the back, zip. So that's the jacket. Moving on to our lower body, we get 2 pairs of track pants. Yay, I'm glad it's black. I really like that it's black with some grey detailing. Is that the football field? And turquoise, again, Adidas, those 3 signature lines. And also on the pocket, they have this unnecessary design. I don't know what this symbolizes, but yeah. Finally, for your full body, you get something called a parka. I'm guessing it's just like raincoat slash wind coat. But yeah, a parka, which is this thick raincoat material. It has buttons and also a zip. One last item to go, which is not really clothing but more like a carry bag. So it's the official FIFA volunteer bag that we can carry to our shifts and maybe bring water bottle, food, charger, phone, whatever we want in this bag. Oh, it's more like a fanny pack but diaper edition. And again, it has this design pattern detailing, one big zip, and then inside we have 2 compartments and an adjustable strap. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh wait, I forgot one last thing. So at the checkout, they also gave us this nationality pin. So they asked me what nationality I am. Obviously, I'm Indian. So they gave me this India pin. India is not playing at the World Cup, but the World Cup, as the name suggests, is an event that brings all the nationalities from all over the world together. I'll be rocking my India pin while volunteering. The video is not done yet. Let me actually try on all this and show you how I look in my official Qatar FIFA 2022 volunteer uniform. Let's go. Okay, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you do see me around volunteering at the FIFA World Cup, please do come say hi. Also, leave down in the comment section below what you think about the uniform, what you think about my modeling, and if you like this outfit or not. I really had a lot of fun filming a video like this after so long. Take care, stay safe, subscribe if you haven't already. Hiya, hiya, okay, bye.